Good morning, students. Today, we will read Chapter 1, Computer Software. Here, you can see that I have marked some definitions. These definitions you have to mark in your book. A computer system consists of many parts working together. The physical part of a computer, which you can see and touch, are collectively called hardware. The hardware of a computer cannot function on its own. It requires a set of instructions to perform a specific task. The set of instructions that directs a computer hardware to perform a specific task is called software. Software cannot be seen or touched. See, you have to mark the definition of hardware as well as software. Comes to types of computer software. Computer software can be broadly classified into two categories: system software and application software. These software divided into three categories. System software is divided into three categories, that is operating system, utility software, and language processor. Application software is also divided into two categories: general purpose application software and customized application software. System software. System software refers to programs that are developed to control and manage the operating system, the operations of a computer system. It can be classified into three categories: operating system, utility software, and language processor. Operating system. See, you have to mark the definition of operating system. Here you can see that I have marked some definitions. An operating system is the basic software installed in a computer. It controls the way a computer works from the time it is turned on till it is shut down. A computer is useless without an operating system. It manages all the other software installed in a computer. It serves as an interface between the user and the computer. Comes to next page. The main function of an operating system are: it controls the working of all hardware devices connected to a computer. It provides an environment for other software to be installed and exhausted. It manages various resources of the computer system such as memory, microprocessor, and storage. It enables you to organize your work in form of files and folder. It manages access to the computer and provides security measures to safeguard your data. Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux are examples of operating system. Next is your utility software. A utility software is a system software that enables a computer to work efficiently and perform its tasks better. Some examples of utility software are antivirus software. A virus is the computer program that can disrupt the smooth functioning of a computer. It can harm the data or various programs in a computer. An antivirus software is a utility software that protects the computer against harmful virus attacks. It scans the hard disk and external media attached to the computer for virus and removes them. Norton Security, McAfee Total Protection, AVG Internet Security, and Avra are some examples of antivirus software. Disk defragmenter software. An operating system, while saving files, break them into parts and save them at different locations on a disk. This may slow down the speed at which data and can be accessed from such files. Comes to next page. A disk defragmenting software combines all the parts of a file and places them at one location on the disk. This helps in faster loading of a file in memory. Defragler, Diskkeeper, and MyDefrag are examples of disk defragmenter software. Next is your backup software. A backup software enables you to make a duplicate copy of the data from a hard disk onto another storage device, such as DVD, pen drive, or NAS. It ensures that your data is not permanently lost in case of a system crash or virus attack. Acronix TrueImage, Nova Backup, or Norton Ghost are examples of backup software. Compression software. A compression software compresses large files into small size files. It helps create free space on a storage device. WinZip, WinRAR, and 7-Zip are examples of compression software. Language processor. Most software are written in high-level languages such as C++, Java, or Visual Basic, but a computer understands only machine language in the form of bits, that is 0 and 1. A language processor is a system software that converts a high-level language program into machine language program. Compiler, interpreter, and assembler are the examples of language processor. Application software. Application software refers to a program developed to perform a specific set of tasks. For example, software used to create a text document or draw an image are examples of application software. Comes to next page. Application software can be developed using various programming languages. Different application software are used for different purposes. Application software can be classified into two categories: general purpose application software, customized application software. Now, general purpose application software. A general purpose application software is used to perform the same set of tasks for a large number of users. Some common type of general purpose application software are word processing software. A word processing software is used to create text-based documents such as letters, reports, notes, and stories. All word processing software enables you to create, edit, format, save, and print text and graphics in a document. Microsoft Word, LibreOffice Writer, and WordPerfect are examples of word processing software. Next topic is your spreadsheet software. A spreadsheet software is used to enter data in a worksheet made up of rows and columns. It also enables you to perform calculations on the data, represent in the form of charts, and analyze the data. Microsoft Excel, LibreOffice Calc, and GNumeric are examples of spreadsheet software. Next is your database management system, that is DBMS software. A database is a structured storehouse of data in the form of records made up of one or more fields. A telephone directory and students' attendance register are example of database. A DBMS software is used to create and manage a database. It allows you to add, retrieve, search, sort, and print information easily from a database. Microsoft Access, Oracle, and MySQL are some examples of DBMS software. Comes to next page, that is desktop publishing software. A desktop publishing software is used to arrange text and graphics into professional looking documents such as brochure, magazine, newsletter, and posters. Microsoft Publisher, Adobe InDesign, and Serif Page Plus are some examples of DTP software. Presentation software. A presentation software is used to create and design presentation in form of slides, show, animations, and video clip. Microsoft PowerPoint, LibreOffice Impress, Keynote are example of presentation software. A graphic software is used to create and edit image such as photographs, posters, charts, and logos. Microsoft Paint, Adobe Photoshop, GIMP are some examples of graphic software. A multimedia software is used to create interactive application of using text, images, audio, video, and animation. Window Movie Maker, Adobe Animate, Sketch are some examples of multimedia software. Comes to next page, customized application software. A customized application software is used to perform a specific set of tasks for an organization. It is developed according to the requirements and objective of the organization. Ticket reservation system, payroll system, and school management system are the example of customized application software. Open source software. Most software are owned by a company or an individual. We have to pay for the software and cannot modify the source code. An open source software is usually provided free to a user along with a source code. User also receive a license for the software which allows them to share the software, modify it, and redistribute it to other users. Firefox, Linux, Thunderbird, Apache Server, LibreOffice, GIMP, and MySQL are some examples of open source software. Now we will going to do worksheet 1, that is take the correct answer. An application software used to create and manage database is, that is DBMS software. An example of a presentation software is PowerPoint. Adobe InDesign is an example of DTP software. An example of a graphic software is Adobe Photoshop. A software developed to meet specific requirements of an organization is called customized application software. Comes to next page, that is fill in the blanks with the correct word. Now you have to choose the correct word from the given options, and you have to fill the blank. The components of a computer system that can be seen or touched are called hardware. 7-zip is an example of a compression software. And Dash software is usually provided free to a user along with the source code, that is open source. And Dash software scans storage media for virus and remove them, that is antivirus. The system software that controls the overall functioning of a computer system is called an operating system. C. Write T for true and F for false statement. The first one, an operating system allows a user to manage files in a computer. That is true. Second, antivirus software protects a computer system from virus attack. Yes, true. A DBMS software is used to create and edit image. False. Language processor convert a high-level language program into a machine language program. Yes, that is true. A general purpose application software is developed according to the requirement of an organization. Yes, that is true. Now classify the following software under the given categories. Girls, here are given some softwares and you have to put under the correct category. Operating system, utility software, language processor, and application software. Next is your answer the following question. Girls, you don't have to note down these questions. I will going to send a separate PDF for it. Comes to complete the crossword using the clues given below. You have to do it yourself. Okay, thank you.